this is a water purification model by the fabricators.
So do you use washing machine in the house?
Activity, the temperature variation and the seismic.
So,
The Pragyan rover was
it
a
is
sixth
very useful in
robotic
today's modern
vehicle
era.
and landed on the moon's south pole, and India became the first nation.
Good morning, Bol.
My project is on earthquake alarm. It alerts the people
Earthquake alarm.
whenever the earthquake occurs. This is a flood resisting house, but you know how dangerous floods are. So Japan has introduced a technology.
Imagine carrying heavy loads to a tall building or repairing cars.
In this process, we can see that the newly formed cell in the DNA starts to separate and turn into two new cells.
Good morning. We have made vacuum cleaner that is made from dustbin.
Today, as we celebrate the wonders of science, let us all pledge together.
Who invented LED TV? LED TV was invented by J.P. Michel in 1977.
ओली मेरे कॉन्व्हेंट इंग्लिश हायस्कूल इथे आज 5वी ते 10वी आहेत त्याच्या मुलांचे विज्ञान प्रदर्शन भरवण्यात आलेले जे ह्या शाळेत शिकत असताना त्यांच्या इयत्ता 5वी ते 10वीपर्यंतचे जे विद्यार्थी आहेत त्यांनी जे काय प्रोजेक्ट तयार केले विज्ञानाचे ते आपण पाहूयात आणि सुरुवात आपण इथनं करूयात. सर्वप्रथम तुम्ही प्रोजेक्ट पाहू शकता. प्रोजेक्टला नाव वगैरे इथे काय दिसत नाही कुठे, बट इथे आय थिंक फॅन्स वगैरे आणि सुंदर अशी लाइटिंग केलेली आहे. प्रोजेक्टचं नाव दिलेलं आहे इथे सोलर सिस्टम. आणि बाबू काय सांगशील का तू तेच आहे का? हे कोणी गेलं आहे? वॉटर सायकल. व्हेरी गुड बेटा, एक्सप्लेन करताय. मला इथे दिलेलं आहे खूप सुंदर.
Hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming is the method of growing plants in a small space without soil. We can use water, and the water is recirculated and reused. So it will not use so much soil, and we will put in a small amount of water.
कुठल्या स्टँडर्डला आहे?
7.
7ला. गुड, व्हेरी गुड. ऑर्गॅनिक फार्मिंग. छान. फॅक्टरी प्रोडक्शन. बोल.
Production, carbon absorbed in the chimney. The carbon compounds which are released from the factories is then observed here. You can see the black smoke coming here, and from here we get the fresh air.
चिमणी. जे काय याचं प्रोजेक्टचं नाव काय तुझं इथे? कार्बन.
Carbon production, carbon absorbed in the chimney we get the fresh air.
ओके ओके, व्हेरी गुड.
This is a rechargeable table fan. It is based on a lithium battery and a DC motor. It can be charged multiple times, and it is easy to carry and very portable.
व्हेरी गुड.
This is a working model of an eye. The retina and iris, optical nerve and brain.
बोल बेटा.
So this is a water purification model. By the first layer, it will absorb all the large particles like leaves, etc. And by coming to the third layer, it will absorb all the chemicals, toxic chemicals, etc. And by the last layer, which is cotton, it will absorb all the finest particles, the smallest particles. And at the last, you will get clear water. Thank you.
ते काय मारलं? स्वीट होम. ओके, कार पार्किंग. हे बेटा काय केलं? चालू आहे का कारण? पुरे घाबरले असं काय हरकत नाही. चला पुढे.
Budget-friendly model it consisted of three components: the Vikram lander,
level
the
indicator.
Pragyan rover, and the propulsion.
Good morning,
The
sir.
Vikram
This
lander
is
consists
water
of
level
scientific
indicator.
instruments which
So, do
help
you use
measure
washing
the
machine
moon's
in the
surface
house?
activity, the temperature variations, and the seismic activity.
So,
The Pragyan rover was
it
a
is very
six-speed
useful in
robotic
today's modern
vehicle
era
which
because
explored
sometimes
the
in
lunar
various
surface.
machines, water level indicator is
Explored
installed.
the lunar surface.
So what happens when the
and
water
gave us
fills?
the
It
information
indicates
about the soil composition.
sometimes we have to save water.
The third one was
we have to save water as we say water
Yes,
is life.
that is.
So when
The
water, if the water
third
will
was the,
overflow, it will be
propulsion
wasted.
model that
But
reached
water
the
level
lander
indicator
in
indicates
the
the
moon's
water and
orbit,
it saves the
lunar
water
orbit,
as well
before
as the land.
detaching. So this was
Then these things got detached.
yes, the below ones are the propulsion module. The upper part consisted of the Vikram lander. So the propulsion module was detached as soon as they reached in the moon's lunar orbit, and after detaching it orbited and landed on the moon's south pole, and India became the first nation. Thank you.
काम चालू होते Hemodialysis. Good.
Yes. When the kidney of a human is not working properly, hemodialysis is used. The blood from the human body is taken out, sir, and put it in the dialysis machine. With the help of dialysis machine, the blood is purified and the waste product is stored here. And the blood is then sent into the blood pump, and with the help of blood pump, the blood is further sent to the human body.
तिने काय केलं?
My project
Good morning.
is about electronic highway project, which main aim is to minimize the pollution and reduce the use of environmental things like fossil fuel, petroleum, etc. My project is about the wires which send the electricity to this pole, and this poles send the electricity, pass the electricity to the engine, which will help the car or any vehicle to run.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. बोल.
My project is on earthquake alarm. It alerts the people
Earthquake alarm.
whenever the earthquake occurs. It passes the current to the system and then it gives out a buzz which alerts the people. Good morning, sir. Myself,
Good morning.
Khangaon. This is a flood-resisting house, but you know how the dangerous floods are. So Japan has introduced a technology which includes aerogel. We didn't have aerogel available, so we used thermocol. Aerogel is the lightest solid in the world, which helps the house to float. When the floods occur, it absorbs the shock, the high shocks of the flood, and also gets it above the flood elevation surface, which is the surface of the water during the flood.
Flood resistant. छान.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Myself is Sanskrit Mohan Pillai, and we are excited to show you our project on hydraulic lift. A system we see in our daily life but often take for granted. Our model is a simple representation of how a lift works between floors. It is designed to show how a lift works between floors. Hydraulic lift is not just cool but incredibly useful. Imagine carrying heavy loads to a tall building or repairing cars. This lift saves our time and energy by making heavy lifting easy. Hydraulic lift is not just fascinating, but it is a big part of our life. I hope you understand our model, and thank you for listening, and let us see in the action.
हो हो हो. क्या बात. छान छान. जायला दूर गेलं. Good. Good morning.
So here we have a science model of future transportation. By observing this, we can say that it will help in our future. It is made up of a strong DC motor and lithium ion cell. It will save our time. Its benefits are it will save our fuels like petrol, diesel, and CNG.
hard time for transporting.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is not really a working model, but this model shows us the process of mitosis. So, in this process, we can see that the newly formed cell in the DNA starts to separate and turn into two new cells. So, there are 5 stages of this process. In the first stage, known as the prophase, the protein in the nucleus starts to condense and turn into visible chromosomes. And then in the metaphase, those chromosomes come lines up in the middle of the cell, known as the metaphase plate. And then in the anaphase, the chromosome starts to separate and move to the opposite direction. In the telophase, we can see that the cells have almost separated but not completely. And the last and final stage, we can see that there are newly formed cells, and these cells will now also continue the process of mitosis. Thank you.
Vacuum cleaner. Good morning.
Good morning. We have made vacuum cleaner that is made from dustbin, and it is attached with a 12.4 volt battery. It is and we have attached the motor that is creating vacuum in it, and we have attached that washing machine pipe. It can suck the garbage in it, and we have attached also the speedometer. It can control the vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner, dustbin.
Carbon dioxide mixed into the atmosphere, which is mainly burning of fossil fuels, pollution, power plants, and many other things that we do very normally. Today, as we celebrate the wonders of science, let us all pledge together to act responsibly and use technology wisely. Together, we can create a big impact. My dear friends, heal the sky, heal the land. Together, we will create a change. Thank you.
Automatic street light.
Automatic street light. It switches on when sun is not visible from our eyes. It switches on by a sensor called area light dependent resistor.
It's an air cooler. We have made it using a plastic box, bottle and a fan.
Very good.
It's mostly used during summer test.
Right?
Both.
What is an LED TV? LED TV is a device in our day-to-day life which proves to be most important in our current present life. What is an LED TV? The first question is, what is an LED TV? LED TV is a light emitting diode, which is also known as a LCD, liquid crystal display, which is essentially used for providing improved visual clarity, etc. Who invented LED TV? LED TV was invented by J.P. Michel in 1977, and the development of electrostatic phenomenon was in 1907, and the development of LED was in 1927. Benefits of LED TV are improved HDR technology, improved visual clarity, etc. What are the parts of the LED TV? Parts of LED TV are main board, display, speakers with Bluetooth, key controller, and of course LED. Thank you.
Oh, Bank of ATM.
Good morning, sir. It is an ATM machine. The full form of ATM is automatic teller machine. It was invented in late 1990s. The main goal of ATM was to first we have to remove the money, then it was to go to bank, receive the checks and all that all. If we have to remove the money, we have to dial your 500 rupees and enter. And this is the ATM card. We have to put this ATM card in the machine and the money will remove.
Hydraulic bridge.
I twinkle the from Senate if they would like to present hydraulic bridge working model. Plumb generated pressure, and this pressure is then directed to the cylinder connected to the bridge by itself. Bridge control the flow of fluid, allowing for lifting the bridge decay. Thank you.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is conservation of biodiversity, and we have divided
first part is this, and it shows the reason of extinctions of various species like bees, and the dirty water and the pollution and no trees. And over here we have shown how we can protect and how we can conserve it by using the reduce, recycle and refuse waste, and by using vehicles which are non-polluting, and by using dustbins and not throwing the waste anywhere.
Thank you.
The Stone Age village. The Stone Age village is divided into 4 parts. First is the Paleolithic age, second is the Mesolithic age, and third is the Neolithic age, and fourth is the Chalcolithic age.
Okay. Which standard, brother?
5th C. Then drip irrigation. It can water the plant by dripping.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
So today we have met Parliament House of India.
This is the capital and states. This is like Patna, and this is Bihar. It is
Causes harm to the water bodies, which creates acids in the water, and it will be harmful for us later.
Life safety.
Right.
As you can see, there is fire. It is here fire, and fire it is there to rescue the people and save the life.
is in the volcano. Like here is a volcano chamber that comes to the truth and through from volcano 10 day.